Hey guys, I wanted to go over mockups today. For me, mocking up designs for clients is probably like my most favorite thing to do. Um, putting that brand on, mockups for them, coffee cups, a, a storefront, just so that they can see what it would look like when it comes to life. So that's what we're going to go over today. I was going to just share like a free resource that I have that I'll look for mockups. You can actually Google free mockups and a bunch of stuff will come up. And of course, if you are a Photoshop wizard, you can take a picture and then place your design on top of it and fix it to create your own mockup. Maybe we'll do that video next time. So just real quick, MrMockup.com is one place that I go. They have free mockups, and I mean, they have some really good stuff. So this is, yeah, somewhere I go to just find some mockups to place designs for clients so they can see their designs come to life. And I figured we could work on a mockup real quick together just so you can kind of see. So like this is where I got this one was mrmockup.com. You would delete that layer and then in the Photoshop file you'll see different layers. So this is the mug color, and normally mockups will have everything titled really nicely for you. So what I did, we're gonna play with this brand. So I have like the little brand guide. So I'm going to pull the color here, and then we're gonna go where it says your image. So, oops, let me go back to that. I accidentally. That happens sometimes. Now from here, we're gonna get the paint bucket tool and then drop that on top. You can delete that layer. And we're going to go get the PNG, Command C to copy, and Command V to paste. And so since this is a cup, I know that we're going to need a little bit of space at the bottom. So I'm going to open this up and just push it to the top just a little bit. Okay, Command S. And then this layer is going to save to the mockup right there. Yeah, I think that worked out pretty good. And this is the mug handle here. So let's go back to the brand guide. Let's get the eyedrop, pull the color. And so now it's loaded here. Double click, and you'll grab the color there. And so let's change that background. Let's grab the pink. Okay, double click, it's loaded. If we wanted to, we could lighten it up even a little bit more. Probably about right there. And then voila, now you have a mockup with your logo. So you go File, Save a Copy, and then you could put, let's see, Magic Cup. You're going to save it as a JPEG. I'm going to save mine to my desktop. And then before you close out of this, because you want to save the PSD because it's a working file. So if you have another client that needs a coffee cup, you can reuse this mockup for them. So from here, you could go File and just hit Save, or you could put Save As, and then you could just put Mug Mockup, and then maybe like Work, so that you know it's a working file. And if you wanted to, you could just save it on your desktop. And voila. now you have your cup mock-up.